Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to this channel. My name is Mark, and I would like to ask you a question. How often do you get to see people like the ones you see on the screen? My guess is you get to see them fairly often, if not every day. I wouldn't be surprised. Kids, just because you get to see every day doesn't mean that it's something that you should be imitating, something that you should be doing yourself. Because, as a matter of fact, it's not very healthy or good for you. As an alternative, I would like to teach you how to be creative, how to solve problems, how to have fun by being creative. As a matter of fact, believe or not, boys and girls, you already have everything you need right now. I would like to teach you how to use the Python programming language in a fun way, how to make games. All you need is your computer, these fingers, I meant your fingers, not mine, and your beautiful minds. Basically, we'll be using the Python programming language to make games, have fun, being creative, and solve problems together. You will get a set of exercises like the ones you get in schools. This way, you will develop problem-solving skills. You will develop your creative skills, and you will have fun rather than just be glued to your phones or whatever. Just watch one video at a time, follow through on it. If you have any questions at all, just leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Let's get started.